Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very famous poem, My Computer Needs a Break. It is written by Santini Govindan, who was born on 20th March. She is a widely published, award winning author of children's literature in English. She has written more than 50 books for children, including poetry, picture books, and short stories for children of all ages. Her famous publishing books include, and the famous publishers include the National Book Trust, Children's Book Trust, Vikas Publishing House, Wisdom Tree, etc. Many stories and poems written by her are currently used in academic books in primary, middle, or high schools across India and have been published by Madhuban Books, Orient, Black Swan, and Pearson India Education Services Private Limited, among others. Her books have been translated into many Indian languages and she has written more than 350 articles, stories, features for children that have appeared in children's magazines and national dailies in India and overseas. Before proceeding, I have a question for you as a brain teaser or tone up. Computer plays a vital role in all fields. Give reasons. I am going to give you answer at the end of explanation of this poem. So wait and watch. Before starting the poem, let me define some terms so that the summary of the poem will be clear to you and it will be easy for you. Computer. A computer on a network can be accessed by many users. Security measures have to be taken to protect network from unauthorized access and data or information theft. Files can be shared between the computers on a network. This makes a computer vulnerable to attacks by viruses, worms, and Trojan horses, and so on. Now, what is a virus? Virus spreads itself from one computer to another and interferes with the normal operations of a computer. Viruses attach themselves to any type of file and spread when these infected files are copied to other computers. Now, what is a worm? A worm is a computer program that uses computer networks to send copies of itself to other computers on a network. Trojan horse, a computer program that appears to be a useful software but actually causes damage once installed, is called a Trojan horse. Now here is the summary of the poem. In this poem, the speaker is worried about her computer. As the title itself indicates, my computer needs a break. Her computer was intelligent and smart as it has mountains of knowledge, means it has a lot of knowledge. But now it has starting forgetting things. Earlier, the computer used to answer questions with just a click of the mouse. But now, the computer has started behaving badly. It has become absent minded. It forgets to save the speaker's work and files. Instead, the files get vanished. It doesn't check spelling errors and hides the speaker's files. The computer has gobbled a worm and that's why it is behaving erratically. It felt very sick and the speaker called the computer's doctor so that he may get the problem. The speaker asked the doctor while he was checking the computer whether the computer is tired and wants a holiday. Means the speaker wants to check that either his computer needs a break or not. So here I have explained the literary devices which the poetess used during the poem. Now metaphor. What is a metaphor? Metaphor is a figure of speech in which a word or phrase literally denoting One kind of object or idea is used in place of another to suggest a likeness or analogy between them. For an example, the curtain of night fell upon us. Here in this poem, the poetess has used so brainy and absent minded as a metaphor. Now, personification. Personification is a figure of speech or literary device intended to represent an abstract quality. Like lightning danced across the sky. Here in this poem, gobbled and very sick are the words which are used as personification. Now, hyperbole. It is a figure of speech that uses extreme exaggeration. Mile high ice cream cones. But here the poetess has used mountains of knowledge as hyperbole. Alliteration. The occurrence of the same letter or sound at the beginning of closely connected words, like sweet birds sang. Here S word is repeated. The sound of S is repeated. But in this poem, doctor, double quick, so D sound is repeated. Save my work and store it away. So save and store, S sound is repeated. Here I am with the rhyme scheme of the poem. First, let me introduce what is a rhyme scheme. A rhyme scheme is the pattern of sound that repeats at the end of a line or stanza of a poem or a song. So, as per the repetition of the words at the end of the line, we have, like in first stanza, we have in the first line last word smart, then heart, then click, then quick. So our rhyme scheme will be AABB following all the stanzas. So here I have written the rhyme scheme of the poem is AABB. Here is the answer of tone that I asked the question in the beginning of that video. So role of the computers. Computer helps us to learn new things. It helps us to stay connected with the people all around the world. Moreover, it helps us to complete our work quickly and accurately. And we can't deny the fact that it helps us in maintaining records. It also helps to store huge data. So here I explained all the rules, all the role of life connected with computers. So today we are totally dependent on computers that I explained to you, but we do not forget that computer also needs a break. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Thank you.